Hi everyone, my name is Roy and I'm 30 years old. So back when I was like 7 or 8 years, I had a massive fall and my entire nose was fully deviated towards the right side. So I met Dr. Prashant about 3 weeks ago. He suggested corrective surgery. We went through with the procedure and I think the first 2 days were a little difficult, I would say. But then from day 4 until today, I feel really well. Especially after we remove the stents, I am able to breathe 100 times better, I would say. Plus my workouts has significantly improved. I'm able to run faster for longer distances. Plus I'm able to sleep really well. So 10, 11 o'clock, I'm just dead as an ant. So that's really good. Plus I've also lost a considerable amount of weight. I was 106 before the surgery and now I'm close to 94. I'm looking to hit a target of 85 within the next 2 or 3 months. So anybody who's facing difficulties in breathing, I would suggest you to please consult a doctor and if necessary go ahead with the surgery. I'm really loving it. Thank you.